Space. Today in Art Vocabulary and Concepts, we'll be discussing the art elements. What are the art elements? Line, shape, form, color, texture, value, and space. In the visual arts, the art elements are tools working together to make great art. What is space? Space means the area around, inside, and between, related to the artwork. Helps engage the viewer with the artwork and interact with it. An art space can create and direct the viewer's emotion. Types of space include positive and negative, shallow and deep, and 2D and 3D. Positive is used and active, negative is unused and inactive. Look at the heart, which is positive and negative. Shallow space is flat with width and length but no depth. Deep space has fore, mid, and background. You can see near and far. Two-dimensional space has the sense of depth, while three-dimensional space has actual physical depth. The element of space in art helps the viewer engage with the artwork and interact with it. Let's walk around this sculpture. Space can create and direct the viewer's emotions and experience. Look at this picture. What do you feel? How is space used in this artwork? Do you see the subject in focus with the empty space behind? Here are two more space examples, an all-white background and a cool color background. The element of space is found in many famous artworks. Let's look at three. Will you use the art element space to make an awesome artwork? For more art content, join me on Bold Soul Whimsy, Substack, YouTube, and Instagram.